Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. I am here today to teach you in this online class subject Computer Science, Class 2, Lesson 2, Unit 1, Computers Around Us. Topic: Differences between computers and human beings. Today's topic: Differences between computers and human beings. From page 7 of book. Let's start today's lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn the difference between computer and human and also know which of the two is better. Before we know the difference between a computer and a human being, we need to know what a computer is. Students, you know the answer because you have already read what a computer is. A computer is an electronic device that helps people perform different tasks. For example, computer allows us to write letters, create pictures, make calculations, play games, and send electronic mail, email via computers. And a computer has four main parts such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse to do different things. Now we talk about human beings. Dear students, do you know who created us humans? Yes, you are right. Allah Almighty created human beings. But do you know who invented the computer? Yes, the computer was also invented by a human being. And Charles Babbage was the man who invented the computer. Now let's discuss in detail the differences between computer and humans. Computers are non-living things, but man is living being. Computer never gets bored or tired, but man gets bored while doing the same work. Computer does not need food to get energy, but man derives his energy from food. Computer need instructions, but man does not require any instructions. Computer cannot take decisions by itself, but man can take his own decisions. Computer does complex calculations in seconds, but man takes some more time to do so. Computer do not have feelings, but man has feelings. Computer works speedily, but man works slower than the computer. Computer cannot go outside to play, but man can go outside to play. Computer stores a large amount of information, but man forgets very easily. So, students, now have you understood who is best? Yes, you guessed it. Man is better than computer. But how? It is because computer help us and make our work easier, but it cannot start if we don't switch it on. It is a machine which depends on us to operate it. Homework time. Here is a question. You have to answer this question in your book, page 10. And the question is, write five differences between computer and human. Thank you.